Reprogram your mind for wealth with powerful affirmations. The more you listen, the faster the results. Every day, I make decisions that bring me closer to financial freedom and success. I align my actions with my vision, knowing that I am always guided by intuition and wisdom. My financial success benefits not only me but also those around me, creating a ripple effect of abundance. I am deeply grateful for all the wealth and opportunities that flow into my life, and I know there is so much more to come. I trust that the universe supports my financial goals and provides me with the resources I need to thrive. I am open to receiving wealth in all forms, including opportunities, connections, and unexpected blessings. My life is a reflection of the abundance I hold within, and I radiate confidence and clarity in everything I do. I am a creator of my own reality, and I choose to create a life of prosperity. I am surrounded by wealth, and I see abundance in every situation I encounter. My thoughts are clear and focused, guiding me toward financial success and lasting prosperity. I let go of any limiting beliefs and open myself to the infinite possibilities around me. Every step I take brings me closer to achieving my dreams, and I celebrate each milestone with gratitude and joy. I release all fears and doubts about money, embracing a mindset of abundance and growth. I believe in my ability to create a prosperous life, one filled with endless opportunities and rewards. With every breath, I affirm that wealth is my birthright, and I am fully capable of attracting it into my reality. I focus my energy on gratitude, knowing that more blessings are on their way. I am a magnet for wealth and abundance, and every action I take aligns me with my highest financial potential. I trust that prosperity flows to me effortlessly, opening new doors of opportunity every day. I welcome the unlimited possibilities that the universe offers, knowing I am worthy of success and fulfillment. My mind is a powerful tool, creating wealth and prosperity in every area of my life. I am in perfect alignment with the frequency of abundance, and my life reflects the prosperity I envision. Opportunities to grow my wealth come to me easily, and I have the clarity and courage to seize them. I trust that every financial decision I make is guided by wisdom and intention. Wealth flows to me in rivers of endless possibilities, and I welcome it with open arms. I am worthy of living a life of financial freedom and limitless abundance. I choose to see every challenge as an opportunity to grow and expand my wealth. Money is a positive force in my life, enhancing my ability to create, give, and thrive. I am grateful for the continuous flow of prosperity that sustains me and brings joy to my journey. I am the architect of my financial destiny, and I build my wealth with confidence and purpose. The universe conspires in my favor, ensuring my path is filled with success and abundance. I release any resistance to prosperity, allowing my life to be a magnet for riches and opportunities. Every day, I grow more capable, resourceful, and empowered to achieve my financial goals. My relationship with money is healthy, harmonious, and filled with gratitude. I welcome unexpected financial blessings, knowing they come to me because I am aligned with abundance. I trust my ability to attract, manage, and multiply wealth in ways that bring joy and fulfillment. The seeds of prosperity I plant today grow into a future filled with financial freedom and success. I am open to receiving the infinite wealth of the universe, and I do so with gratitude and humility. My financial success is a reflection of my inner abundance, and I nurture it daily through my thoughts and actions. I celebrate every moment of progress, knowing that my wealth grows steadily and securely. My life is a testimony to the limitless potential of prosperity, and I am deeply grateful for all that I have and all that is yet to come. I am an unstoppable force of abundance, and every decision I make brings me closer to my goals. I trust in the process of growth, knowing that wealth and prosperity are already mine. The energy I invest in my dreams returns to me multiplied, creating endless opportunities for success. I am deeply connected to the flow of money and abundance, and it fills my life effortlessly. I attract wealth in all forms, financial, emotional, and spiritual, and I embrace it fully. My actions are aligned with my intentions, creating a powerful cycle of prosperity. Every step I take builds a solid foundation for a future filled with abundance. I release any scarcity mindset and replace it with thoughts of growth, gratitude, and infinite possibilities. I am a visionary, capable of creating a reality that exceeds my wildest dreams. My mind is a magnet for wealth, and my heart is open to receiving all the blessings life has to offer. Every opportunity one encounter is a stepping stone to greater success, and I pursue them with confidence and determination. I am surrounded by abundance, and I am grateful for the wealth flowing into my life. The universe supports my financial journey, providing me with the tools, knowledge, and opportunities one need. I am resilient, resourceful, and ready to embrace every blessing that comes my way. I allow myself to dream big, knowing that I am capable of achieving greatness. Prosperity is my natural state, and I step into it with ease and grace. I trust in my ability to transform my life through intentional actions and a positive mindset. I am a living embodiment of abundance, and my success inspires those around me. I release any doubts or fears about my financial future, replacing them with confidence and certainty. My life is a testament to the power of belief, action, and gratitude, and I am excited for the limitless wealth that awaits me. I am constantly surrounded by opportunities to grow my wealth, and I have the wisdom to recognize and act on them. My financial potential is limitless, and I am open to receiving all the abundance the universe has to offer. Each day, I attract prosperity into my life through my thoughts, words, and actions. I am confident in my ability to create the financial freedom I deserve. I am in harmony with the energy of money, and it flows to me effortlessly and continuously. My mindset is a powerful tool that shapes my reality, and I choose to focus on abundance and gratitude. I am deserving of every success I achieve, and I celebrate my wins, big and small. The more I give, the more I receive, and I am a channel for the infinite flow of prosperity. I let go of any negative beliefs about money and replace them with empowering thoughts of abundance. My financial success is inevitable because I am dedicated, resourceful, and aligned with my goals. I attract the right people, resources, and opportunities that support my journey to wealth. Every day, my actions bring me closer to the life of prosperity I envision for myself. I am the creator of my financial future, and I design it with intention and clarity. I believe in my ability to turn challenges into opportunities and setbacks into stepping stones. I am surrounded by abundance in all its forms, and I welcome it into my life with gratitude. My financial goals are achievable, and I take inspired action to manifest them effortlessly. I radiate confidence, abundance, and positivity, attracting wealth and prosperity into my life. I trust that everything I need to succeed is already within me, and I embrace my journey with faith and determination. My wealth grows as I continue to align with my purpose and passion. I am a living example of what is possible when belief, action, and gratitude come together. I am deeply connected to the flow of abundance, and it fills my life in unexpected and miraculous ways. Every financial goal I set is within my reach, and I am fully capable of achieving it. I trust the process of growth and embrace the journey toward wealth with an open heart. My life is a magnet for prosperity, and I am grateful for the opportunities that constantly present themselves. I release any thoughts of lack and replace them with powerful affirmations of abundance. Wealth is my natural state, and I attract it effortlessly into my life. Every action I take aligns me with my vision of financial freedom and success. I celebrate my progress and trust that my dreams are unfolding perfectly at the right time. I am grateful for the wealth I have and excited for the abundance that is on its way. My financial journey is one of joy, learning, and continuous growth. I trust that every step I take brings me closer to the life of prosperity I deserve. The universe provides me with endless opportunities, and I am ready to seize them with confidence and clarity. I am worthy of the life I desire, and I take inspired action to manifest it. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways, and I am always open to receiving it. My relationship with wealth is positive and empowering, and I use my financial success to create a meaningful and fulfilling life. I trust the universe to guide me toward unlimited prosperity. I am a powerful creator of my reality, and my thoughts shape my financial future. I align myself with the energy of abundance, and I see evidence of it everywhere I look. I am surrounded by supportive people and opportunities that help me grow my wealth. I am grateful for the financial freedom I am creating and for the limitless possibilities ahead of me. I am in constant alignment with the abundance of the universe, and I trust that everything I need is already on its way. My thoughts are powerful, and I use them to create a life filled with financial freedom and success. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life with ease and grace. Each day, I take inspired actions that align with my highest financial potential. I am worthy of all the wealth and abundance the universe has to offer, and I claim it with confidence and gratitude. I release any limiting beliefs about money and replace them with empowering thoughts of prosperity. My financial success inspires others and creates a positive impact in the world. I am open to receiving blessings in all forms, and I am deeply grateful for every opportunity. I attract wealth naturally and effortlessly because I am in harmony with the energy of abundance. My actions are focused and intentional, and they lead me closer to my financial goals every day. I trust in my ability to create a prosperous life, filled with joy, freedom, and fulfillment. The more I give, the more I receive, and I welcome this flow of abundance into my life. I am a master of my financial destiny, and I approach every opportunity with clarity and purpose. Money is a tool that I use wisely and intentionally to create a life of freedom and generosity. I am surrounded by endless possibilities for growth and success, and I embrace them with courage and determination. My wealth grows every day, and I celebrate the prosperity that flows to me. I am deeply grateful for the abundance I experience and for the infinite opportunities ahead of me. I trust that the universe is working in my favor, providing me with everything I need to thrive. I am a magnet for prosperity, and my life is a reflection of my belief in abundance. Every choice I make is a step toward greater wealth, happiness, and fulfillment. I am a beacon of abundance, radiating confidence and attracting wealth in all areas of my life. Every challenge I face transforms into an opportunity to grow my prosperity. I am constantly learning, evolving, and becoming more skilled at managing and multiplying my wealth. My financial future is bright, and I step into it with trust and gratitude. The universe is abundant, and I align myself with its infinite resources. I am surrounded by opportunities, and I boldly take inspired action to achieve my goals. My life is a testament to the power of focus, perseverance, and gratitude. I am capable, worthy, and ready to receive all the wealth coming my way. I am constantly expanding my capacity to receive and hold wealth. My financial decisions are guided by wisdom, clarity, and purpose. I trust in the process of life, knowing that every step brings me closer to my dreams. The energy of money flows freely and abundantly into my life, creating a positive impact on everything I do. I release all resistance to wealth and fully embrace the abundance that surrounds me. Every action I take is an investment in my future prosperity and success. I am confident in my ability to attract and sustain wealth in all its forms. Listen daily, morning or night, to see faster results. The more you listen, the stronger the effects. Subscribe now and leave a powerful affirmation in the comments to share your energy and grow your success.